Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yesi, and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be playing with the Natasha Denona Mini Crush palette, which looks like this right here. So I'm going to create an eye look using this mini eyeshadow palette. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Hi guys! So I'm back with another video, and for today's video I'm going to be playing with the mini Natasha Denona Crush palette, which look at this little beauty. So cute. The colors are right up my alley. It's a pink purple, obviously in time for Valentine's Day. And this year her mini came with a brush, a little small brush. So it's like a shader brush. Yeah, but how cute. So I am going to be creating an eye look, and then we'll talk about it towards the end. So let's jump in. So far I've moisturized my complexion, my face, and I have my brows filled in. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in Ebony. I also used the dual powder in Ebony as well to fill in the eyebrows, and I concealed the eyelids with the MAC Paint Pot in soft ochre, and then I just tapped some of my translucent powder on top of it. Now we're gonna go in with the palette, and I'm not sure what I want to do, but let's see. Okay, I definitely want to use this pink color right here called Daisy. So let's see. Okay, first I'm gonna go in with, it has names on the back, Lotus. Right here. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this big shader brush, and I'm going to apply the color Lotus. So this color right here, and I'm gonna apply it on the eyelid. Just to see what color it is, and it's like a light pink. So okay, now I'm gonna grab a blending brush. I'm gonna grab the Morphe R37, and it's just a blending brush, as you can see. And I'm going to use the color Lotus, and I'm going to apply that to my crease. So Lotus, again, is this color right here, this light pink, very light. And I'm just going to apply that to the crease. It might not show up, but I'm still going to use it because it'll help all my eyeshadows blend. So I'm just going to pop it in the crease. Okay, now I'm going to use, so let's see, now I'm going to grab this Adona Lace EB09, which is, it's kind of like a flat shader brush, but I'm going to use this for the outer corner. So you see how it's flat? But I like to use this type of brush for this inner part right here, and so I'm gonna use the color Soul. So this color right here is Soul, and I'm gonna use that for the outer part of my crease. So this part right here. Ooh, it's really pigmented. And this is showing up in my color complexion as more of like a, well, no, it's the same. It's like a reddish, like a brick color kind of. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe R37 to blend this out right here. Alright, I'm gonna go in more with that color Soul to intensify this a little bit more on both sides before I go in with the shimmer shades. So I'm gonna grab that Morphe R37 brush and just go over this right here. Now I'm gonna grab, I think I'm gonna grab the Natasha Denona brush, and I'm gonna use it to apply this red color right here called Claret. So this right here, name Claret, and I'm gonna apply that shimmer shade to this area right here, this middle part. And then I'm gonna go in with that Barbie pink towards the inner part of the eye. So I'm not sure how it's gonna look, but I wanted to incorporate all the colors, so that's why I'm trying to use all the colors in this palette. So I'm gonna grab that red Claret and I'm gonna apply it right here. And of course, because this is like a fluffy brush, it might not apply that red true to its intensity, but it kind of is. Not mad at it. So this is that red color. Looks really pretty. Okay, so I think I have that color on just fine. It's pretty nice. Such a beautiful color. Okay, now I'm going to grab my blending brush and I'm just going to go over these edges right here so that red doesn't look harsh going into this crease color right here. So I like to set my brush at an angle, that way it blends. And it doesn't have any, I didn't use any more product. I'm using whatever's on the brush to just help blend this out. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with that pink. I'm gonna use this Morphe times Mickey and Friends brush. This is the MM1. So it's a flat shader brush with a pointy angle. So I want to use the color, the Barbie pink color in here called Daisy, to apply this to the inner part right here where we left blank. Let's see. And today I didn't use any glitter adhesive because I want to see how these colors apply to the lid. I mean, I personally would have used okay, hold on. It's not going on very well with the brush. I'll try and apply it with my finger. So for that pink, you might have to use your finger, because the brush, even though it picked up some of the particles, you need something so it can adhere to. Okay, so that's what the shade looks like. I'm gonna apply more of the red onto the eyelid to help blend the red with the pink. Now I'm gonna go in with the Sedona Lace EB09 with the color Soul, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna use it to blend the red and this outer part right here. I'm probably gonna use that purple on top of this color just to intensify the look. So let me do that now. I'm gonna grab this same brush with the red, or should I grab a pencil brush? I might just grab a pencil brush. Yeah, I'll just grab a pencil brush. And I'm gonna use the color, let's see what the name is, Koi, K-O-I, and that's for this purple right here. And I'm going to use that for this outer part of the eye right here. Let's see if it does anything. So it's adding some dimension, as you can see from this eye to this one. And don't worry if it gets all over your eye, because we're gonna go in and do our complexion, and it's gonna look, and it's gonna be blended out with concealer, so it doesn't really matter how it looks. I'm loving how this is looking though. This is really pretty. Okay, so I like how everything is looking on the eyes. So I'm gonna jump off a camera. I'm gonna finish the eyes and the complexion, and then I'll come back and we'll chat about it. So I'll be right back. All right, and I'm back, and this is the finished look. What do you guys think? What do you guys think of this look and this palette? I really like it. I really like it. I mean, I know I used all the colors in today's look, but you can do something really pretty, like use this light pink in your crease, and then maybe use this color right here because it is kind of dark. This in your outer part of the lid, and then you can do one of the shimmers. You can even do the Barbie pink, or you can do even this for an all matte look, or you can use the red instead. There's so many things that you can do with this mini palette. I think I mean, you're still obviously gonna get somewhat of a pink look, but or in that family, but I think it looks so pretty, so girly. I think this palette is priced right. I mean, it's $25 for a Natasha Denona. Natasha Denona's eyeshadow formula is really good, and I'm very familiar with her formula. And now she included this little brush too, which is perfect. I think this brush worked just fine. I wouldn't mind using it for other eyeshadow looks. But yeah, I think this is a good deal. And if you're looking for something, or if you're looking to try Natasha Denona's formula, I think one of these minis would be great. I really like this one, and I think it's so perfect for Valentine's Day. So I mean, those are my thoughts. If you have I would say if you have the Love palette, you might want to skip out on this, but I have the Love palette, and even though the shades are similar, they're not exactly the same. So those are just my thoughts. But I mean, the palette performed good, the brush performed pretty good. So, and for 25, I think that's a steal. So yeah, and it's perfect for Valentine's. I might be wearing this, I don't know yet, but yeah, those are my thoughts. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will catch you on the next one.